Because they're not General Electric, but it's one of those things. But I hear you make the best engines in the world, Larry. And our relationship now is very strong with Saudi Arabia. Nobody's going to be bothering that relationship. Nobody would be able to break that relationship because of my relationship with the Crown Prince and the family. And I've met such great people. And as you know, that we're trying to give Yemen a chance, and we're going to give Syria a chance. With Yemen, they have a tremendous Houthi problem. I believe that's a problem for them. You never really know. It's a tricky part of the world. Sorry about Iran has sort of agreed to the terms. They're not going to make, I call it in a friendly way, nuclear dust. We're not going to be making any nuclear dust in Iran. And we've been strong. I want them to succeed. I want them to end up maybe doing a deal without having to do this. There's two steps. There's a very, very nice step, and there's a violent step. It's very hard to sell into India. And they've offered us a deal where basically they're willing to literally charge us no tariff. So we think we're going to do well with Russia, Ukraine. 5,000 soldiers are being killed every single week on average. 5,000. If something happened, I'd go on Friday if it was appropriate. But we have people right now negotiating, and I just hope that Russia and Ukraine are able to do something.
No Putin's interest? No Putin's interest? Are you disappointed by that?
No, I didn't anticipate. You said there's a tremendous capability it travels with many, many, potentially hundreds of drones, right? Do you want to talk about that? Because it's very interesting to people. Well, we're working very